right now we make a browser. It's called LionBrowser. If you check the description, I mean not description, if you check the pinned comment, you see a link. This is the web browser link. Yeah, and it is a ad. No, it is not an ad. But right now we are doing that. Okay. So the tutorial of my browser is like this. Yeah, I know it is kind of tiny, but if you can search here more, and this chat GPT, YouTube, Amazon, and Gmail, Drive, Clipchamp. Clipchamp is a video editor, and here it is search. If you say enter, it will work, and if you say search, it will work too. So, yeah, check the pinned comment. It will be in there.